Hey, what is going on YouTube? Today I want to clean out my PC case a little better. I did use some compressed air on it about a week ago, so it does look pretty good already. But as you can see, the fans are really dusty still. I went ahead and took an old toothbrush already and cleaned up some of it already as well. So it doesn't look like too awful, but at the same time I still want to make it a little better. I mean, like with the fans themselves, I think the dust is creating an issue where they don't work properly. I noticed like weird sounds when they run at high RPMs when the PC is on. But yeah, so what I'm going to be cleaning it with is just this blower that I found on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. It'll be a paid link. For this one, I didn't expect much of it. I was honestly about to go find a different one. It's pretty good on there. I need like 2 hands. But like as you can see, even without the nozzle, like hold on, yeah, even without the nozzle, it's blowing shit around like very loud, but sounds like a jet taking off. Yeah, I'll have to clean these more with a toothbrush. Doesn't get like the more fine particles. Let me open this more so I just don't want the cats to get out, these little escape artists. So you know what the main problem is? For 4 minutes, I didn't realize there's tempered glass over here. So I'm blowing into glass, bro. There we go. Let me try to get more distance so I don't like break anything. So I went in there with this toothbrush. As you can see, not looking too great for the toothbrush. It's still not perfect. The way that I would want to really clean this would be to unmount the fans and then probably peel off the sticker and take off the little donuts inside, and then so I could take this part off and pull the fan out. So if you look at the difference in like that layer to this layer and even this one, that's mostly from just the toothbrush, but that's a pretty big difference. So like honestly, anything helps. Obviously, like I said, you want to really like take the fan out itself to really clean it better, but it is some improvement. I'm sure, you know, anything would help. So I need to get back there. That's disgusting. So yeah guys, like I said, the blower is going to be in the description if you want to try your luck on it. I know you'll have better luck than me since I had already cleaned mine out with the compressed air in the past. This little filter right here is what's causing me all those issues. Getting so much dust out right now. probably blew that a little too hard for the fan on the other side, but I really wanted to clean this out. It was very gross. One more blow for the one time. So yeah, I've had this PC since 2019, so clearly, you know, compressed air and the toothbrush and the blower do something, because I've seen way worse computers out there. I mean, if you want to give it a try, go ahead and check the link. That's it for the video. I'm actually getting a new PC. I got an email today that it's being processed. It's going to take 5 to 6 weeks. But from the same company as well, CyberPower PC. Check one of my last videos about it. They still have Father's Day deals up going. The Memorial Day deal was really good, but they still offer discounts on certain things like 11th gen i9 processors, i7 processors, stuff like that. But yeah, guys, appreciate you. Definitely look at your computer case if you're having heating issues and see that if that might be causing it. Yeah, I feel like I could definitely clean this better. I would take this off personally, but it says, you know, warranty void if when removed. I don't want to mess with that, honestly. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much the video. This, you know, blower doesn't emit toxic gases just like the compressed air that I've been using does, and it doesn't run out of air. So there's, you know, definitely bonuses. It wasn't too expensive as well. I think it was between $40 to $50. If you buy, you know, compressed gas, you're going to be continuing to buy more and more and more. It keeps running out. It's a good investment, I believe. It has the different head depending on what you're trying to do. And that's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next one.